What's up, guys? Hope all of you are doing well. Today we will be going through a video which I think would be useful to all of you who are actually following my channel. So, as all of you know, my channel is the Income Seekers. So, let's just cut to all the fluff. As you can see, the title of the video, it's about how to make money online in 2021. So, as many of us might be affected by the current pandemic situation and with the COVID lockdown and things like that, or even in general, our income personally, we might be thinking that we uh we it will be nice if we can earn extra cash uh in any way possible. So one of the easiest way actually through making money online. But however, when you go through to when you watch many YouTube's videos online, I need all of you to understand that making money online, it's not about just clicking a button and then you will be able to make money instantly. So the mindset is important here. I need all of you, before we proceed into the video, to have that proper mindset that some form of work needs to be done. But however, because this is a virtual platform, once the work has been done, it will stay there for quite some time, and then it will start working for you even when you are not working on it anymore. I hope that makes sense. So making money online is step by step. It has a strategy, and you have to religiously follow it and then implement it. Not just watching many videos, but then you don't implement it. So yeah, so that's basically just to start off the video, having a proper mindset. So I'm keeping it very simple. As you can see here, I have three main methods, which is building an audience, be a broker, and paid advertising method. So let's go with building an audience. So when it comes to building an audience, it is not that difficult actually. If you were to go to sites like Instagram, and you can immediately see that there's a huge potential in such places. When you look into Instagram, and then uh, if you don't have any particular idea on how to make money online, here's a very simple idea where it is relating to affiliate marketing. So basically, you can go to Amazon. Give me a second. Yeah. Okay, you can go into Amazon.com, and then you can sign up as the affiliate. Alright. Nothing fancy actually. Give me a second. Okay, so now I'm sure all of you know about this, about Amazon Associate. So you can just sign up and be an Amazon Associate. And the cool thing about Amazon Associate, let's say you were to there are many people who are actually interested in self improvement and things like that. So let's just say self improvement books. And then you can go into Audible audiobooks, and then you see these are all free. These are all free, $0. with the free trial. And when you promote these books to your audience, then uh, even without them committing any amount of money, you instantly get $5 from Amazon. So I mean, this is a starting platform that definitely you can look into, and definitely you can easily make some money out of it. And the potential is huge when you just search for books inside uh inside Instagram itself. This is one of the smaller pages, you know. See, you just look at one of these, and then you realize that they have already 33.4k followers. 179k followers. Yeah, and their post is like just pictures of libraries, which you can get from stock images, bookshelves, more libraries, more bookstores, more bookshelves. So yeah, so it's like a very simple concept. Basically, you go around the whole. You understand what is the offer that you are planning to promote, and then you build all these assets which are free actually, where you just have to build a community, and you post relevant content which you can just find online, and then tweak it to make it relevant to your online whichever platform that you are using. So it's not just fixed to Instagram. You can be using TikTok, you can be using Facebook, or engaging in Facebook groups, which if you guys are interested and you guys want to know more, then can leave a comment on which other platforms that you might be interested to know more on doing marketing about. So this is one platform where basically you build an audience, and from there you slowly you can monetize it, or close to instantly you can monetize it. I have experience where I build a follower of only about 200 followers, and there are sales that I can generate just by referring to things like this, where it is practically free. And if your audience is really interested in books, and you have run a survey and you realize that, oh, they're looking for self improvement books, then why is there anything that would stop them from getting any of these books, because they're all free. Yeah, so then this is one of the potential. Okay, the second potential way of making money online is being a broker. Being a broker, by you might be thinking, oh man, is it like some form of like investment broker? No, no, it's just a simple way of saying, uh, it's just a simple way of saying that you are doing some form of arbitrage. So what you can be doing is simple. You can just go into this website called seoclerk.com, seoclerk.com. So SEO clerk, and you can see the amount that they are charging here. The freelancers here are very very reasonable, are way cheaper. You can find things like, for example, maybe let's see backlinks, right? Ooh, okay. So the thing about this website is that they can sell their services for as low as $1 to $2 to $5. You see here, backlinks for contextual ranking $5, and there's a 99% review with so many reviews, 8,650. You can read through all the reviews. Okay, I'm not gonna go into a very detail into every specific area that there is, but however, you are able to know, okay, this is a marketplace where you're able to get stuff, and then once you get that, technically that is your supplier, then you can go into sites like Fiverr. Yeah, you can go sites like Fiverr, okay, which I am logged in, and easily you can list up a gig or a service for $5. Yeah, and you might be just getting, if like it's 100 authority backlinks, you can easily charge it like for $15 in Fiverr. So yeah, so then you can see the whole process, and it's just not in Fiverr. There's also another website where I'm sure you guys know, which is Upwork. You know, so you can be going to this website as well, and then you can be promoting your gig that, oh, I can be doing backlinks or SEO or so many, content writing, programming, uploading of SSL, troubleshooting of website. So here have quite a lot of services which are low cost. Then you can just cross sell them into other platforms like Fiverr and Upwork, and then you are the broker who deals with the guy to ensure that they deal with the services. Yeah. So this is one way. Alright, and then the final method which I'll be discussing is paid advertising. So paid advertising is it's a slightly complicated technique. I mean, with money that you put in advertising, definitely with proper targeting and proper ads, you can definitely make the money back. There's a return of investment. So such platforms easily can be like, when you go into Facebook. It's taking a little bit of time today, but yeah, I appreciate that you are still in the video until now. So when you go into Facebook, for example, this is just one of the test accounts that my team have. So when you go into Facebook, and then there's definitely the classic ads manager. So I'm sure you guys have watched many YouTube videos which are online that teaches how to be doing ads and how to be promoting online, but the thing about Facebook is that you can easily be banned from it, and their team is not very forgiving once you go against the rules and regulation, and they will just ban it to you. The key point that you have to take note when you are promoting any affiliate offer through Facebook ads, or even Quora ads, or even Snapchat ads, the thing is you cannot drive traffic directly to the affiliate links itself. You have to come up with a landing page, and then from there you uh, from there you build value in the landing page, and then you direct them into the affiliate affiliate offer that you're thinking of promoting. So yeah, so it's not so simple like back in 2005 2006, where you can just promote them directly to the affiliate program, the affiliate link, and then it will just convert. And Facebook itself, Facebook ads itself is already integrated with Instagram. Like promoting on Facebook ads, you can choose to promote in Instagram only. So you have to also understand where your audience would be hanging out. So it's very important as an affiliate marketer, because the business of affiliate marketing, or making money by promoting other people's product, it's more about really know, you have to really understand where the customers hang out and where they usually show interest on that particular topic. So for example, if they are talking about books, then where else other than Instagram do they hang out? Maybe in forums, maybe in uh, certain websites where they're talking about book reviews. So these are things, as a uh, online entrepreneur, you must start thinking about. So I'm sure I would just be covering these 3 points in a very brief way. If you guys find this useful, give it a thumbs up. If you guys are cool with it, you guys can like subscribe to our channel. It will mean a lot to me. uh, the first link in the description below, it's some of the free ebooks that I'll be sharing with you on how to drive traffic online. So if you were to sign up, and I'll be sending it to your mailbox, all the free ebooks, all the free resources. No affiliate links or purchases will be sent to you. Like I won't be promoting anything to you. The main purpose here is I'm trying to build a community where at least we affiliate marketers assist one another. One affiliate marketer assisting another affiliate marketer, or a person who wants to make money online. So I'm just trying to build a community, and at the same time, we are also in the midst of having a Discord channel also. So right now, if you think that this kind of content is something you would like, if you would want further videos on certain topics, or if you have a topic in mind, you can just put it in the comment section below. I will look into it, and then we'll see how I can find the materials and the resources, and then I'll release a next video soon. So till then, hope you guys enjoy this video. Give this video a thumbs up. It will really help us a lot. And if you can, please subscribe to our video. Until then, I hope to see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye.